Are you looking for the ultimate rotary tool in 2025? We've tested the top picks for power, precision, and value. Stick around. Your perfect tool is on this list. Don't forget to hit subscribe, drop a thumbs up or down, and let us know in the comments which one's the best fit for you. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Dremel 3000-2x28. It may not dominate every single category, but this is our best overall rotary tool for one big reason: balance. Power, smart design, and versatility all come together in this kit. You're getting attachments for sanding, grinding, polishing, and cutting, all neatly packed in a durable case. Everything feels intentional, from easy tool changes and a comfortable grip to variable speed control that's simple to tweak on the fly. With its 1.2 amp motor, the 3000 handles most small to medium projects with ease. During testing, it excelled in our plywood spiral bit challenge. Plus, replaceable motor brushes and a 2-year warranty mean it's built for the long haul. This is the tool that grows with your projects, not one you'll outgrow. Number 2. Goxawee G4007. On paper, this thing looks stacked. Flex shaft, over 100 attachments, a 3-jaw chuck, cutting shield, even spare motor brushes. But in practice, the shine wears off quick. Build quality feels questionable, and durability doesn't inspire much confidence. The flex shaft sounds great, but realistically, most users won't touch it. Accessories also feel flimsy, and we had trouble keeping sanding drums locked in place even when fully tightened. Yes, the 1.3 amp motor and 8,000 to 30,000 RPM range look competitive. But in real use, this tool is best left for light, occasional projects. Don't expect it to keep up with serious workloads. Number 3. Wen 2305. Wen has built a reputation for affordable, value-focused tools, and the 2305 is a perfect example. For a bargain price, you get an 80-piece accessory kit, a flex shaft, and a hard case. The tool itself doesn't feel cheap, but compared to higher-end models, you'll notice corners cut. Its 1 amp motor is underpowered, and accessories don't quite match the polish of pricier kits. The compact case also leaves little room for expansion. Still, if you're a casual DIYer or just starting out, this kit delivers a lot for the money. It's a budget-friendly entry point into rotary tools. Number 4. Ryobi One P460. Ryobi's 18-volt 1+ cordless rotary tool takes a different approach. Instead of a direct drive motor, it uses a flexible cable drive between the motor and handpiece. That means you're tied to a benchtop setup, but the payoff is precision. It feels more like holding a pen than a power tool, making it perfect for engraving, carving, or buffing. The motor housing mounts neatly to your workstation, and if you already own Ryobi batteries, you're in luck. If not, the added cost of battery and charger makes this less appealing. It's a fantastic precision tool, but not the strongest for heavy-duty jobs or portability. Number 5. Hart HPRL01. Hart's cordless rotary tool is another flex shaft design aimed at crafters and hobbyists. We like the built-in storage for accessories and the clean cordless setup powered by a 20-volt battery, but like the Ryobi, its shaft drive lacks the raw power of a direct drive system. Tougher tasks are a challenge, and since it's sold as a bare tool, no battery or charger included, the price climbs fast. It's a solid hobbyist tool, but falls short when it comes to all-around versatility. So, which one is the best? For us, it's clear. The Dremel 3000-2x28. Reliable, versatile, and smooth in performance, this is the rotary tool to beat in 2025.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.